Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Study class. Today we are going to start our third lesson, which is our cultural heritage. Cultural heritage ladu kira la split chivaina dua cultural tang heritage lani loa chivaina heritage ladu kapsla manju ki Suzuki property lana Suzuki kyu lai dua or something that is inherited lana ta kirang ki for example kirang ki parents ki property dinjo ya posta waina mangchas ki mama ki Suzuki power ki lego machine ki ide dos thong gi redwa so property di mostly power la to kirang ki popo chake ra so popo ki property di khan lego la na for fathers ni mama ni lego msurwa so heritage lana kirang la property lani kyu lani gotsuna di durwa so cultural la to cultural does not consist of money or property. Cultural la tu kapsla nganji ki pesha tang money tang ani property la ni English ne chakyo mtu mare dwa culture la tu kapsla part of a culture so nalo ki culture che values che traditions dwa so traditions la tu nganji ki Suzuki thada ki chidang dwa dinju changma norms tang values dinju changma thanda girang chakra member che kirang ki mama ni ancestors kap ni rang ni pass on chakra wa so dinje into kapsla cultural heritage la tu kapsla dinje heritage di khala manji ki kochna di lana it's a shared bonds of our belongings to our community so it's a shared bonds wa ngaji changma ki khala da piju tanga yo wa changma la sharing lana ngaji khowa le do khowa na shingi manju ki the mi changmala like for example manju de ki citizen ni ba ina dua the citizen ni ba ina the de na no la Nepal ki ani cultural heritages tang palaces dinju tang mangbo yo dua the dinju changma share shakti dinju changma dua for example cultural heritage la tu manju ki bauda nang shingi dua the mi che ki re la ni la shi mi dua changma ki ta manju ki chu shi sa le sapatang Sambunak la sopato tang ra dinja sama community should chakye ra community mi changma ki phiju tanga yo share che yo inde dos re ra tharin ki lesson bi changma thunga ya ko chira chi lai ra Jagan Gurung lives in Damdami village of Kaski district. He is the student of grade 4. He has finished his final exam and has a month holiday. So his father took him to visit Pokhara city. When they reached Bhimsen Toll in the evening, they saw a crowd of people gathering in front of the Bhimsen temple. They heard the sound of the various traditional musical instruments. Both of them went to see what was happening there. They saw people wearing marks of various gods and goddesses along with colorful dresses. They were dancing together on a special music. The group of all people were singing the song. Jagan was very curious and asked his father, "What is this, father?" His father replied, "It is called the Bhairav dance." So Jagan ladi saja kawan redula na dam dami lai chongse mere shas ro ani kurang Kaski district la tu kapsla Kaski district in nanglok ki village chik dam dami lai desa suggest la korang ti dos ro and he's a student of grade 4 kirang so nangshin ki jinja shiwa la igi changge bugu chire durwa and he has finished his final exam the kurang ki jinja shiwa di ani ije di cha dos ro ani kurang chani ani he has a month holiday Nada nganju ki mixi ki month holiday tang inte mere quarantine ta means the lockdown bi changme ro holiday dos rang re ro hina yang ta kirang so lopta la ngoma nang sing ki lopta nang lo le lopta la the ani yang kirang so ki exam first term second term ani chuti tang ki wa di nang sing ki khora ina yang chuti tang dos ro da wa chik ringala ani kurang gi pala gi khola kha chidula na he took him to visit Pokhara city manji gi saja desa Pokhara la chiduswa when they reach Bimsin Toll even in the evening. So Bimsin Toll lana kirang ki nganzu ki Nandipur damla temple do shire kirang ki yako gotsugi na gotsugi menna nganzu ki Nandipur lana this capture do ki de ro bagan this pa capture la. So they damla ani Bimsin Toll lan lai de ro ani kirang ki khang thong to lana crowd of people gathering in front of the Bimsin temple mandir ki damla ro the temple ki damla ani kirang mi mangko jomgyo shikong do ro. And they heard the traditional sound, the music is koduswa, the ching chang ching mango yawa shape in the koduswa. And Kurani Kanshi Lana Palatam Pudi, they both went to see what was happening there. The Pagila Kang Chabutan Lanani, Pawatam Pudi, Tagachin Uswa, and they saw people wearing different various marks of god and goddesses. They can't get there, like picture now, Tongi. The Pumo Gihado, Puigado, and Franci Max Punjok, and Loto, colorful Colopinjok to Tongos, rather shades up to do. And they were dancing together on the special music, rather the music, Frankie music, cheery, Cranky, Mama, Lagi Mezwa, Tuna Yakoshi Chiwa, Yuna, Bairaf told like or Kimze in the round. So Bairaf told Dinzuki, Pala, Midinzo, round. Ba din zo ide do bak din zo ko ya pu din zo ko mo do chi tik ni shi ta in the chi de do kirang gi thona ya po te na kirang gi like thai gi sa ja din zo la cups jo nyung gyo ki wa tang ya na ya phai chok la yang thong nyung gyo yu si gi de do so dila khang la gi la na ngan jo gi bairaf dance la gi de wa. And Jagan was very curious and asked his father, so curious la na, he's very eager to know what the pe khande do shin ba ina la ni do pe he wants to learn something. Pala tua tang doswa and pala tua tang to palagi khare lagun palagi dila Bairaf dance like it lagwa. So Bairaf dance ladu krala di gotsuna tigire Bairaf dance the ancient dance ra, so ancient marks dance chaki do ra ngoma ni never community giwa never nana kran ki go chuti yugire Nepali nalola riks caste nala never Brahmin Kshatri mangudwa never chik chaki do ra. So never community didn't marks only traditional 236 years ago. No niga sumju soto kumola dinzo kyao ki cups la ni shade dinzo dao thapki usade wa. So the tradition di khanda sama yore wa. The program la khajeshli re sam nikran ki thinki wa ina ro first they be payuchala perform chi do wa. So khali ani payu midi ani there program na migrate chaku cups la ro saje chik message sheba la phoitu ani crown to the traditional crown to the culture di thaba chiki marwa. So there la continuous chak ro. For example nganju phe saje la yutu cups la nganju Suzuki losa sokata Suzuki tujil cups to tangi do di nangshin ki nganju there la even nganju as a refugee do there la refugee into cups la nganju Suzuki losa nang tujil cups tangi wa. So traditional dress down into Kundi or in the Chikwa. After a few days, Jagan's father took him to the Kathmandu city. They went to visit the Pashupati Nath temple. Jagan was very surprised to see such a big and beautiful temple. So, Kurang that chiti di kala Kurang ki kongse de cho into kapsla ni palagi Kathmandu la tidu rather back Kurang game Kathmandu thamachi tidu. Sorry, they went to visit, but after a few days, Jagan's father took him or Konda. The Quran ki Nimakashi in some Wada Karpoka and Nimakashi Tera, and Shuglani Palagi, Paila Titus, Duadani, Paila Titu Kapslani, Quran to Kaula Dudulana, Pashupati Nath temple and Kranki, Konu Vigire, very holy place for the Hindu Hindus religions, Zigi Nutula. Holy place Chaki Durwa, Manzu Chitina, Bauda, Sambuna, Dinzo even Nangshiki, Kurans or Hindu people Sinzula, Pashupati Nath, the Petsa Chimbo de Rwa, and Pashupati Nath Lana, Bauda, Yudam Lana Yuri, like Keranso Kashi Domanu, Sigirwa. And he was very surprised to see such a big and beautiful temple. Mandu Dipe, Chimbo Tundu, Krampe, Kao, Dampe, Hansa, in the Chabu, Swatango, Hondu. And Nyamdullah, he saw the 4 beautiful silver doors in the temple. He saw a big statue of an ox in front of the temple. He also saw the river Bakmati flowing nearby the temple. The Quran ko la ora ta ngam chi ki ko silver ko di carving chi yo la ora ta ngam chi ki ko kyo silver ki ko shi thong do swa ta mandir na lo la and he saw a big statue ta ngam chi ko la ora statue la na ngam chi ki ha dang shin ki in zo thong do swa he saw a big statue of an ox na ngam chi ki langok ma ge wa langok ki statue thong do swa temple na lo la. And he also saw the river Bagmati flowing nearby the temple. The temple ki dam la ro Bagmati Quran ki chidi hala ora ta pe chi do ma chi ki ganga nang shi ki Quran chi chi ki de ro ina ya pe cho ye tan da ta wa ina. So he chidi chilo jo du yo do thong do swa Quran ki the flow chak di do ra. Jagan was eager and interested to see other temples as well. Okay, so dela chik lao samso dela changu narin temples chik dwa ani dela Baudhanath temple ta. So his father took him to Swayambhunath, Baudhanath, Chankunarin and Buddha Nilkantha. After visiting all these religious places, he returned to the hotel. Jagan was eager, so he was very interested to learn more, right? Korampe mang changing to this, right? And he interested to see other temple as well. The temple mandir shiba khande ye wa ina la ne ro ani Korampa la ki kha la tidula na Swayambhunath la ro Swayambhunath sangmai jonyung re ro jonyung wi re Swayambhunath che Baudhanath la sopata Chankunarin temple che ani Buddha Nilkantha la na nganchi ki kiranchi ki di konyung wi re to go joshua to ki khare ta phoba thong la thamba she sik de to go nya ti yo do shire ta dinga ji ki kurang chi ki ha do ji gi re nga ji na yang lu khang gya la yo ya lu khang gya la ki re ro tu na ko do shi nya ti yo na shin ki da chi yo re so di la nga ji ki nga ji even nga ji buddhist ji ki nga ji ki chi gi yo re ro. After visiting all these religious places, they returned to the hotel. The religious places such as hotel Jagan had a wonderful and enjoyable day with his parents. Jagan asked his father, "Are there any other such temples in our country, father?" Are there any other temples? Like mandir shiba yeri yo mare la ni pala la thwa tang twa ngaji ki su chi lungba nang lo la ani pala gi yes, there are many temples in different parts of our country. There is a Manakamana temple in Gorkha, Janaki temple in Danusha, Muktinath in Mustang, Swargadwari in Puthan, Pathiwara in Tablejung, and so on. Dan ta palagi yures wrong on this ki lungba Nepal nang lo la ani mandir mangbo yure. For example, the famous la Manakamana din so ngaji ki Manakamana lan cable car ni thoni kirang phai lamka la tu thongki dwa cable car ni ya jaki dwa o del dre sidi Gorkha chok chera ani Janaki temple la Danusha district la yere Muktinath la na kirang ki Mustang lan hagu ki ta mang chis hagu ji ro Mustang la Manchas Jonyo Yukire Ro, so Mustang Che, and Swargadwari, Puthan se such a those district la, and Pathiwara Lana Danusha Che, and Pathiwara in Tablejung la those, so like Indian Tishi Capus. Besides, there are many historical places. So history la to kapsla ngaji palaces lana suzuki kya la ra palace lana ngomang ngomai ki chi ju konu ho na ngaji royal lani royal family tang lai do ata royal family lani kyo khamo ki mi du lai do ata din nang shin ki historical lana ta past ngomang ki ta kya du jo palaces jo yang yu re lan pa la ki chi la do so din ju kapsla ni kyo tang khamo tang din ju thi do Kathmandu Darbar Square la Sopatang, Patan Darbar Square la Sopatang, Bhaktapur Darbar Square tang din so khadana historical importance chaki those palaces re lan Kathmandu Valley la. So there like ki pat khong ki Bhaktapur Darbar Square che ani Gorkha Darbar Square. The following steps should be taken to preserve our cultural heritage. So din so kya steps she re ra the steps she din so Suzuki maintain chigwa di ro su ki cultural heritage di generation to generation sama the chi la ra ta thanda chipo me wa ro ta thanda sama ngi ki forefathers ki to ni thanda sama ngi ki cultural heritage sin jo changma ngi ki preserve chi de re ro so preserve chi so pala ngi ki continuity khol ko mare khole wa so next kherang ki pugu ki thonga yu kyok na ya pu khala gore ya thonga chi de la ani digi importance di value di hak right chido manje di maintain chikwai di ke chenpo di yes ba so maintain chikwai di ngaje ki khande sto chera ta ngaje ki renovation chikwai la sopa tang go ni su pe tang la sopa tang ro ani ye ki dam din la kenik ta mi zo mayu re sopa tang ra ani di chiko me wa ni ngaje ki municipality la tu nagar palika ki ro din zo ki donang te la sopa o hi ta ni mango mala na ba one discuss chido ro our cultural heritage sites should be renovated and maintained time and often. Tang ingon lawa nang singirwa renovate la nga ji care so wa so go tanga maintain che ro ta kala tang ko du ki khande chi go du la ne ro time to time la often la young chi go res ro local people should made aware about the importance of our cultural heritage sites so khashi gi mi ke chimbo re la ne ha ma ko kyok pan yu si gi re ro ta bin chu la nga ji awareness create che like 먼저 cultural heritage 진짜 단다 중요하다 진짜 말해로 하다 이게 숨경문에 착용당 진짜 레로 진짜 이 value the importance 디 먼저 다 하고 갈래 하고 기리나양 슈가 수수기 보고 진짜라 pass on 체 이거 generation to generation 라 진짜 share bond 찾기래라니 보고 진짜라 라이트 나 소파당 파마 진짜라 하마고 저 awareness 체디 개첨보 레스로 municipality 라는 게 응원 라와나 신기로 nagarpalika tang dinzo gi khang thonang chigo la na ta changma suwe gi heritage dinzo gi khirang ki facebook tang dinzo la khirang ki ta gi yo wa na yang na phama gi twing gi yo wa na dwa nagarpalika tang dinzo chi ko me ba ta yang su ki khang la gore chokpa chunchu ki green club la sokpa tang dinzo gi changma su gyo dinzo khashi bawda area la tang swambu area mangse swambu area di so yu tu changma su gyo dinzo 합다 장모 수요 망고 통기도 안 캐란sol라 진짜 inform check 디 kitchen보레 통스라 and footpath shops hotel etc should be shipped a bit far from the cultural site so cultural site ki dam lani nganje ki footpath shop lana ta komba ke shop nju do nganje ki sa hotel la so pa do tang ta dinje ke shop nju mango dam la sha me resra ta dinje ki khang la wara ta check the environment la pani so sugi re so of course khang pa tang din yo wai na ngam ji chu so yu ga la so pa tang ani so ta mi sa gi dang nyam ba chong ge ta din yo wai na pu din sa ni de rang yu gi ra ta di gi so cha ki ra di ta ra gi man ya ding mo ni gi re so din zo point shi di lan ngam ji ki nang te ko di ke chim bu es ra Jagan was very interested listening to his father but he did not understand the meaning of a cultural heritage so okay the Jagan pe palagi ke je nge de pe khang la ora interested chagos ra ina yang ko deep go sum cultural heritage na khande do shre la ra so cultural na ningon la wan shin ki ngaji Suzuki property din che heritage na property din so ra inherited chagdo din so kirang ki power ki thoni and the cute di initially pass on chagdo ra while cultural la tu kapsla it's not property mare so cultural heritage na it's shared it's a shared bond value do chakide ra it's a shared bond of our belongings to the community ngoma ne le gyo share che changma nganjuki chisok community na lo la changma la ko sha kya yo ro it's more of like a fixed house re lo nganjuki piju tanga de so mari na yang nganjuki piju tanga ta tangki re so pala ki khande dosh ni je shi captain na his father smile and answer for example ta na ya pu ni cultural heritage la na khande dosh tsugi du la na all temples ro mandir ning pa din zo che ani church din zo ro church din zo Christian din zo church la ji ro mosque le khadira ngaji muslim people sin so ro mosque for example ani ngaji kompa la sopa tang ro ani historical palaces ningu ni Kathmandu Darbar Square Bhaktapur Darbar Square din zo last one din zo changma chui re ro folk song la na ngoma gi shening ba din zo ro din zo che ani folk and traditional musical ta din zo gi folk gi she din zo ning ba musical instruments so ra instrument na nang ji ki panja baja la re ra ta di khirang ki yaku go su ki mare anda class 6 7 ge to khirang ki thong ki re ina ya thama chi nga gi shu la teng go khirang chon la panja baja la ni khirang ki 창사 된줄 라 dunang chi yu기를 롱바 된줄 창사 지도 뱀뱀뱀뱀 나도 굳이 바자 된줄 비주 당기도 당기면 된줄 반자 바자 저 쉐다 디 반자 바자 디 그런 저기 뮤지컬 인스트루먼트 찾기도 좋아 안 아이돌 쿨러 석바당 아트라나 다른 저기 탕갈래 석바도 당 크래프트 당 폰스 당 된줄 창마 cultural heritage 좋아 and they are handed over to us by our ancestors lana power la and so they are our identities I think ngajagi susuki chakki those ra nganzu susuki rang res identities res ra and cultural heritage are our precious wealth the kuner lagona the kudos res ra cultural heritage nzo and they show our past ta ngajagi past la khande cha yo ka nganzu cups ta dinzo chung yo mare ra ina yang susu banda making money lo ni ke sum kya money in the chakka nzo res ra ta dinzo la ngajagi pride si ko tang tapo kya ko tang any curious some query kitchen raw and many tourists come to see our cultural heritage we must preserve them the diji ko me wang ji cultural heritage ko ta le chi to for example ji ki baudana tang sambu do baudana tang din zu yin ba ina ji ki world heritage no chu ki re raw so din zu chukpo ta ga la su li la na chi ga ni raw chi ga lo 치게니다 만스 가족 동작 타링보 인데 타링보 미지 치게는 좀 리네 데라 다가 리레스라도 디치닝 먼저 기수수기 프리저브나 메인테인 치고야 다고 갭코야 디 키친보 리레스라 정말기 약간 고츠에기 레바유 아니 키치나